How does food impact your brain? Welcome to Health Conscious. We produce daily videos on a wide range of health-related subjects. In today's video we will look at how food affects your brain power. In the event that you sucked the entire amount of moisture from your brain and broke it down to its constituent nutritional content, what might it resemble? The greater part of weight from your cerebrum would stem from fats, otherwise called lipids. In the rest of the remaining brain matter, you would discover proteins or amino acids, hints of micronutrients, and glucose for energy. The cerebrum is, obviously, something more than the entirety of its nutritional parts, yet every segment distinctly affects functioning, development, mood, and vitality. So that post-lunch aloofness, or late-night readiness you may be feeling, well, that could just be the impact food has on your brain. Of the fats within your brain, the hotshots are omegas 3 and 6. These fundamental fatty acids, which have been connected to forestalling degenerative brain conditions, originate from the food we eat. So eating omega-rich foods, like seeds, nuts, and fish, is critical to the creation and support of cells in the brain. Keeping in mind that omegas are acceptable fats for your cerebrum, long-haul consumption of different fats, such as trans and saturated fats, may compromise your brain's well-being. Proteins and amino acids, the building block nutrients of development and improvement, control how we feel and behave. Amino acids contain the precursors to neurotransmitters, the chemical delivery method which conveys signals between neurons, influencing things like mood, rest, mindfulness, and weight. They are one reason we may feel relaxed in the wake of eating an enormous plate of pasta, or alert after a protein-heavy supper. The mind-boggling combinations of compounds in food can stimulate synapses to discharge the mood-altering neurotransmitters. Yet, getting to your brain cells proves to be a dubious task, and amino acids need to compete for limited access. An eating regimen with a large scope of foods helps maintain a balanced mix of brain messengers, and shields your mood from getting slanted in one direction. Like different organs throughout our bodies, our brains also benefit from a consistent supply of micronutrients. Antioxidants agents in foods grown from the ground reinforce the brain to ward off free radicals that wreck brain cells, empowering your mind to function admirably for an extended period of time. What's more is without incredible micronutrients, similar to the nutrients B6, B12, and folic acid, our brains would be powerless to fight against mental decline and brain diseases. Minerals like iron, copper, zinc, and sodium are fundamental to mind well-being and cognitive development. In order for the cerebrum to productively change and orchestrate these valuable nutrients, it needs energy from food, and a lot of it. While the human cerebrum makes up only 2% of our body weight, it utilizes 20% of our body's resources. The greater part of this fuel originates from carbohydrates that our body breaks down into glucose, also known as blood sugar. The frontal lobes of the brain are so sensitive to drops in glucose, that a spike or decline in mental capacity is one of the essential signs of nutrient deficiency. Expecting that we are getting glucose consistently, how does the particular type of carbohydrates we eat influence our brains? Carbs come in three structures: starch, sugar, and fiber. On most nutrition labels, they are completely lumped into one total carbohydrate count. The proportion of the sugar and fiber subgroups to the entire sum amount affect how the body and mind react. A food high on the glycemic index, such as white bread, causes a quick arrival of glucose into the blood, and afterwards a plunge. Blood sugar spikes down, and with it, our mood and ability to focus. Conversely, oats, grains, and vegetables have more slow glucose discharge, empowering a steadier degree of attentiveness. For sustained brain prowess, choosing a varied diet of nutrient-rich foods is optimal. With regards to what you chew, bite, and swallow, your decisions have an immediate impact on the most impressive organ in your body. We hope you found this information useful. Please like the video if you found it informative. Thank you for watching Health Conscious. We produce daily videos on a wide range of health-related subjects. For more helpful videos like this one, subscribe and turn on notifications.